getting ready to cross the street here with a 6-inch ductile iron pipe, which will bring irrigation water from the treatment system on the other side of the building and bring it over to the state park.
So I'm here to do some utility locating, finding all the utilities within the area, so electric, water, gas, comm, sewer, storm drain, anything that's going to impede the work of these guys when they do their trenching or excavation. Everything that we find here is all color coordinated. Electrical you have is red, yellow is going to be gas, blue is going to be water, orange is going to be communications, and then any storm and sewer, that's going to be all green. We mark out our unknowns with pinks.
We are potholing for the 20-inch oil line. We seem to be maybe close to it, I would hope so. We are potholing so when we start trenching for the new water line, we don't accidentally run into it. So just taking precaution, especially on something as dangerous as an oil line. For sure you don't want to do this.
Four. Are they up?
13.3. 13 to 13, 14.6, okay?